Okay, welcome to Call of Duty GT3. Now I will explain to you about how to make a simple and very simple check your pressure point. Okay, the tool that we should use is this Omron pressure point monitoring, and how to use it is very simple. Look at that. This is hose, and we should put like this and make a gap for the three finger and make bend it like this, and look at that, it's only start. Okay, and look at that, it's running. Yeah, and counting this tool will counting your pressure bolt. If your bolt is up to 120, that is up to 150, you have high pressure blood, and the stroke will be attack you. So prevent the stroke with good food and good dinner, good lunch. Okay, look at that. Whoa, look at that. This is my pressure board is 142 for maximum, and for minimum is 98, and this is for blood pulse. Yeah, 83. So it's very simple to know your pressure board, and so you can keep your healthy, keep your food, and you can eat everything as you need, and don't eat not good for your healthy, and based on your pressure blood. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please share to others, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that.